This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by isolating the failing disk and preparing a safe environment. Boot a live Linux USB with recovery tools. This avoids writing to the drive. Next, identify the disk device node, SDA, NVMe 0 and 1, so you target the right disk. Run SmartDL to read smart attributes for health context. Once done, prevent auto mounts and create a full bit-for-bit image with DResQ. This preserves evidence and gives you a working copy to repair without risking original data. With an image in place, you focus on recovery from the copy. Run DResQ with a map file. Start fast to grab intact blocks, then rerun to retry bad sectors. This balances speed and completeness. Next, examine the image. FSCK for file system repair, test disk to rebuild partition tables, and photorec or scalpel for file carving when metadata is gone. As you work, interpret the map file and smart logs to adapt retry counts and offsets. This lets you target salvageable data efficiently. Finally, you apply repairs to the image and verify integrity. Run file system-specific repair tools on the image first. Make incremental snapshots so you can back out. Once repairs succeed, copy recovered files to a new, stable disk and test system boot or application functionality. If you still face corruption or unreadable sectors, stop and escalate. Professional cleanroom cloning or hardware-level recovery may be the only path left. A key troubleshooting tip: if tools hang, lower read speed and increase retries. This often recovers stubborn sectors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.